Welcome back to the reselling room, guys. I guess we can't call it the reselling room for this channel. Welcome back to the nursery room. Day 2, just gave the flat a nice coating of water for no other reason than I just wanted to do something. The temperature controller working smashingly. I did raise it up to 73, so it's keeping it right at 72. I'm cool with that. Have it dead center. We got good condensation all over. Check the water in the bottom. We'll probably add a little more. Table's a little crooked. So you know what we're gonna do? Let's spin it around so that these ones on this side get the water. Cool. Well, the purpose of bringing you guys back was not just to fiddle-dee-dee with this, with the stuff that we did yesterday. I have some other stuff that I would like to get out of the package. The only thing I wasn't able to get in seed form, because they're delicious, was strawberries. I wasn't able to get any strawberries, so I was at the old home improvement store, at the old Home Depot, and they had these starts, or I don't know what would you consider these a start? I don't know. I said there's 10 plants in here for $10. Okay. Not quite as cheap as the 59 cents, but beggars can't be choosers. This was one of the things that we wanted to grow, and we can't find seeds anywhere. Johnny's was out, some other seed place. I don't know. I had ordered them. Actually, I was all the way down to alpine berries, alpine strawberries, little guys, you know, you would see almost growing around in the yard, and then they eventually canceled that order too. So I found these. I figured we'll try it out. We got some seeds, some greens. I'm going to be lighting this area. I did take them out of the box last night. They don't look too intimidating. But this, the packaging instructions on this say plant as soon as possible after purchasing. Cool. So that's okay for us because we're kind of set up with starting mix, and I have some potting mix outside, and I also have, you know, over 5 acres of dirt outside. So I wanted to open this up, see what we got in here, see how we can transplant it. I don't know. I'm thinking solo cups? Is solo cups gonna work? I don't know. Let's try. So it just kind of looks like peat moss. Okay. Hi, Ju. Okay, these things look like they... You look beautiful. I have even shoes on. You do have shoes on. I said, this doesn't... I don't know. Does it look healthy? I don't know. I don't know what healthy looks like. I wouldn't... If someone gave this to me, I would go, this doesn't look healthy. But I don't know. Maybe that's the way it's supposed to look after being in a plastic bag. So let's get this rubber band out of here. Okay. Thanks for coming by. Love you.
Love you, Dad.
Love you, Ju. Oh yeah, we're going with solo cups. So let's get these separated. Those are pretty. I think I made a mistake with solo cups. This whole root system is bigger than it'll fill the whole solo cup. We're gonna have to get buckets. If this thing comes back to life, this one is like the biggest. I'll eat my hat. Is this 2? That feels pretty solid. I say no, it's not 2. All right, so unless I can't count, and unless they count this as 1, which I don't know if it is, I only have 8. False advertising. 8 plants. We're gonna get them in some of that starting mix. See if we can't, I don't know, liven them up a little, and then we'll move. This is not gonna do anything. Neither is this. This one maybe. This one's all right, and this one is like the best one. All right. No more talking. Let's start rescuing. Oh, this poor bastard. He's mushy. But I have faith. Faith. How about that? How about we call you Fred? For old Fred Durst. Making a comeback, by the way. Saw him on TikTok the other day. Not him. He was not his TikTok. Oh, wait. Is this one? It is. All right, so we're up to 9. I'm gonna use this sprayer. This thing is a 10 out of 10 in my book. I don't know, you guys got one of these things? 20 pumps, 30 pumps. We're ready to rock and roll. There you go. Everybody gets a drink. Jesus Christ. Excuse me. I'm not murdering him with water now. It was only yesterday that we put the boiling water in the starting mix. So it's still pretty damp. They're out. They're watered. The soil that lies underneath it is starting mix. It's sterile starting mix. So even if the roots are broken up from handling them, they won't get diseased. Hope of hopes. But there's no real nutrients in here.
Okay.
I asked Doodle, hey, what do strawberries crave? And it says nothing.
Okay.
So I'm going to leave them in here, except this one.
Okay.
Except this one.
Yeah,
That's
we'll
too
get some of
big.
those. Okay.
And then I'm going to leave them in here. I'm going to get the lights. I'm going to keep them warm and watered. Unlike all the seeds had like really, I would consider them detailed. They're like, last frost, this and that. How many inches? Feed with this. This is kind of light on the info. It says plant in spring as soon as ground has thawed. Okay. 4 to 6 weeks after the last frost. So we're like 4 months ahead of schedule. They'll stay down here. It's nice and cool. They'll be all right. But I don't know what to feed them. Oh, wait. Maybe I should read all the instructions. Fertilize if needed. Cool. We're going to save these things. I don't know about Fred, though. Fred might need help. Let's try to find a bigger pot for that one, and get the lights going. How are we going to do the lights? We're doing strawberries.
Oh, cool.
I found
Oh,
some.
is that what that was?
Yeah. I found some in the Home Depot. But they don't look so hot. And this one here definitely is too big for a solo cup, obvi. So,
Do you want me to go get the milk carton?
no,
Cut it up?
not right now. What I'm going to do
That is a really nice water sprayer.
It is. Affiliate link down below. I have an orchid pot. It'll drain too much, so I'm gonna actually. I wasn't planning on doing the lights today, but I'm gonna do the lights and put the solar panel blanket over it. These things are a little haggard.
What happened?
I don't know.
Did it get cold outside?
No, it never was outside. I mean, it was. Can't tell you what happened before Home Depot,
Oh.
but it says plant as soon as you get home, essentially. And I mean, it's February, so they're not going outside. I don't know when they were packaged, but I think we can rescue them. I've rescued orchids that have looked worse than this. I mean, they're still fleshy. They're still white. I mean, this one, we already named this one, me and the YouTube people.
I have a question.
You don't want to know his name?
All right, I guess.
It's Fred.
Why?
Because he needs faith to survive. He's a deep
Listen, you can't curse on YouTube.
Fred Durst. Now you get it?
He's kind of YouTube or a TikTok now.
I saw him on Petey's TikTok. I was just telling them I saw him on Petey's
He's got
TikTok.
a TikTok now where, like, I'm going to assume his wife runs up to him and is like, are you Fred Durst? And he'll be like, no. And he just looks.
He doesn't even look like him. I saw the Petey video with him.
We're not young anymore.
I saw the video with Petey, and he even says, oh, that's my neighbor Fred. And I was like, oh, yeah, look at that. Who's that old white-haired fella?
Yeah, it's Fred Durst.
It's Fred Durst.
Okay. I mean, I don't want to be rude.
Uh-huh.
We've never done this kind of thing before.
Right.
Is this just how they look?
I don't know. But, I mean, we have done other things that have made children. So this should be easy.
All right, so
Hey, Google. What kind of fertilizer do strawberries like?